Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD. Today is Friday, March 26, 2021. It is 9:41 and 46 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, X and Y chromosomes. So let's hop to it here. New study sheds light on how X and Y chromosomes interact. Date March 25, 2021. Source, Lund University. Summary. Researchers have investigated how the X and Y chromosomes evolve and adapt to each other within a population. The results show that breaking up co-evolved sets of sex chromosomes can lead to lower survival rates among the offspring, something that could be of importance in species conservation, for example. The results provide new clues on how species are formed, and suggest it could be harmful to bring together individuals from different populations that have been separated for a long time. The reason is that the offspring have lower survival rates. This is something worth keeping in mind in conservation biology, where you want to see a population grow. It is previously known that hybrids between different species often do better if they are female, 2 X chromosomes rather than male X and Y chromosomes. In this study, the researchers crossed fruit flies from 5 different populations from different continents in order to combine X and Y chromosomes with different origins. They then followed and studied the subsequent generations. The results show that males with X and Y chromosomes that don't match had higher reproductive success than males with matching X and Y chromosomes. However, the higher male fertility was paired with lower survival rates among their offspring. We were expecting the opposite, that males with different origin, X and Y chromosomes, would have lower reproductive success, so that was surprising. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video is strictly made for educational purposes only. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.